ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to welcome you to the 2015 Practical Nursing Capping and Pinning Ceremony. On behalf of everyone at Lanier, this evening, we come together to celebrate our candidates' efforts and accomplishments. And I want to thank all of you, family and friends, for help making this possible for these candidates. And most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for all your hard work and you have earned today. Before we get started, I would like to introduce the Lanier Technical College leadership. To my left is Ray Perrin, the president of Lanier Technical College. Sitting next to him, Deanne Collins, Dr. Deanne Collins, Dean of Allied Health. And lastly, my dear friends and co-workers, Deborah Rigby and Eileen McDaniel. Dr. Perrin, will you please come and do the opening remarks?
Susan. Good evening. On behalf of the faculty and staff, students, and directors and trustees of the Lanier Technical College, it's my pleasure to welcome you to tonight's capping and pinning ceremony. And candidates, I know you're excited, and I know your families are excited tonight. You can tell by their presence here how supportive they are of you. And I just want to congratulate you on this milestone event in your life. I know you've worked very, very hard to get to tonight. And as Ms. Amos said, you've earned tonight, so we hope that tonight will be a night of celebration for you. I can't help but think anytime I go to a nurse capping and pinning ceremony, the very first one I went to was 30 years ago this year, and it's when my mother was capped as an LPN. Now, she asked me to sing at that one. I'm not going to do that to you all tonight, but I will tell you that I know it was a very special event for her, but even more than that, the transition that she experienced during the years that she was in the LPN program at Chattahoochee Technical College changed her life, and it changed her life for the rest of her life. And it's going to do the very same for you. It's not the pinning tonight, but it's what you've gone through for these years to get to tonight that's made the difference in your lives. And because your life is different than when you first came into this program 2 years ago, you're going to change a lot of other lives. So I encourage you as you go out there to remember that this is not just a profession, but it's a calling. And there's a reason that you selected to become a nurse. And I encourage you to live that calling each and every day and understand that the people you're working with are maybe scared when you walk in the room. I mean, all of you look like just wonderful, beautiful people, but they still may be scared when you walk in the room and you got all these instruments you're carrying around with them. They don't know what you're doing with them. You know exactly what you're doing with them, but those patients may not know. So always remember not only to carry out the skills that you've learned, but also remember to have that compassionate heart as you work with the patients and their families that you will work with for many years to come. As I mentioned to you, it changed my mother's life. She wound up being a nursing instructor at Chattahoochee Tech before she retired. And many of you will go down and get different paths from tonight as well. I encourage you to do that. I encourage you to continue your education in any way that you possibly can. And I want to before I sit down, I want to thank your instructors for all the work that they've done to help you with this transformation in your life. And candidates and families, I would like to ask you if you would help me in joining me in congratulating and thanking your instructors for the hard work. And finally, as I sit down, I want to thank you for selecting Lanier Technical College. Again, all of you are bright. You could have gone anywhere. But we're so happy that you selected the very best technical college in Georgia to come and get your nurse training. And God bless you as you continue on in your life's journey. Thank you so much.
The students have prepared a slideshow for us to watch. For those on stage, we have chairs to the side so that we can view it more easily.